USA, AMKA, JACBOM, and UKPO jointly conducted peace consultative meet at Dongkamukam on Saturday. Women organizations of Karbi Anglong submitted a memorandum to DC of Karbi Anglong at Dipu on 16 July. Bensing Timung village deprived from developmental projects and schemes till date.
Chintong Ronghang High School near Denarong Town under Numati constituency with science, commerce and arts streams. Facilities provided in schools are smart TV facilities in every classroom, CCTV system in every single classroom. For more details, contact 70025-92771. Taneswar Theron, Headmaster of Chintong Ronghang High School.
Good morning and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live, Voice of Karbi Anglong, and you're watching English Prime Time. Now the news in details. Karbi Students Association organized a joint peace consultative meet with stakeholders from Meghalaya on 16 July at Dongkamukam Sports Association Conference Hall. The meeting was chaired by Samson Teron, President of Karbi Students Association, and the meeting was attended by various students and social leaders from Meghalaya representing all Meghalaya Karbi Association, Joint Action Committee Border of Meghalaya, and United Khasi People Organization. The meeting was solely conducted to discuss the issues of the people living in the interstate bordering region. It was specifically discussed to maintain peace and tranquility in the region without any discrimination based on their identity.
Situ pen mathalo lahai lahai song to meni tum chingwai bang ke lahilo itu khasia khaile punoi karbia khaile punoi la ahoilong ke do tum bang le tum khai ki ta su ka charbo be de pan itu pen kopini alang itu phana message piunji ma aso piunji ma pu ka chingwai long pen itu chingwai lo la sin tum aduk we song de chingwai si la ile tum dam rapet pen arong long ni tum la so mon sam ka ke ta kapang sam jin pen ka pe do ka pe thak pen an so se ka paching tur don ya pan ko son si ke do ke jima lahai lam the po che than chi mom nang ji lahai jong si tum che than chi mom lo pro tang te pini hard force mate ka pe ka tum la in tum pan ing long so jan pan nga pa che lang se la ji kai ke kleba tu pan same tu kan ber ti tum ji tu mat.
Now let us hear from President of Karbi Students Association, Samson Teron, as to why they had to organize such event and what are the resolutions they had adopted and also what are the objectives they had discussed in the meeting. Here is a visual.
Karbi la pen nang Karbi nang Khasi polam pen itum la so kachi lang selet kachi peri tot la son bang avidet nang fokus ni tumta uduno alang litum same pulo litum da kisung ke boy an sitame kai ke ta Karbi Anglong Karbi Arara tum pen ke dorapet border long ke do tum an sitame tum tak dorapet pen si tum samjin pen se jar som sitame tum pichun ponang pon la pen jasemet pet ni dag bang ke ni tum ke government kali dera posi tum border lampi ni ban tum chingwai ve athela dag bang ke lage sensitive issue lage central government na tum si bang chingwai po state government na tum chinga po Karbi Anglong ta authority do Karbi Anglong Termas council na tum si asi border pin ni apu thak bani tum thangna da ka chingwai po lage la pen da komani phani tum ka mis gaiji ba ka misunderstanding ke pon ye phani tum thangna to.
Wiki-based report from Dongkamukam, Karbi Anglong Live. With the rapid rise of road mishap occurred within the last few years, 4 women organizations of Karbi Anglong submitted a memorandum to Deputy Commissioner of Karbi Anglong, Dipakar Nath at Dipu on 16 July to restructure the existing traffic controls at Karbi Anglong. As we are witnessing the increment of new vehicles every day hitting the roads, therefore, the risk of road accident is also inclining with it. News of accidents had been pouring in every hour and even many innocent lives had also been lost to road accidents. Therefore, on 16th of July, 4 women organizations, Karbi Anglong Women Justice Forum, United Karbi Anglong Women Association, So Arlo Chingthur Asong, and Serdihun Serpindeng Pirthak Asong jointly submitted a memorandum to Dipakar Nath, Deputy Commissioner, Karbi Anglong at Dipu. They appealed the district administration to enhance paramount measures on NH 36, to install more speed breakers at Manja Tri-Juncture and to set up police checkposts at FCI Quad Junction near Presbyterian Church, Dipu to avoid road accidents in the area.
Isi bangke mane karbiang long arlo oko Dipu jot tukali tobar kenon ke mebo mamasi accident dopik asida so accident put taxi bisi koi bangke dak Dipu headquarter panitum jongsi lapen panong senitum si memorandum toklo je doboka hoi manja lapen Dimapur pen lewang sedame manja labo so turning point along Dipu nang ki lut loge Dimapur pen non doboka apen non Dipu nang ki lut loge manja long bangke isi speed si mane gari vek longji lapen solai longji ko taxi ni litum pilo lapen parnisi head sedame ke accident do dak birla pen parchet Presbyterian Church adu dak bangke mane check post binangi posinitum dak mention las ison lo la ison apu taxi ni litum bangke memorandum di sipana pilo.
They had also appealed the district administration to set up rehabilitation center at Dipu for mentally disabled individuals, as the number of mentally disabled individuals could be seen increasing day by day at Dipu.
Isia bangke la hello je karbiang long arlo ke town do posila town area kapre long ta do uta hai lai tum chini lo tame kapre adim lo manili tum jongje si da karbiang long pandet panong si town ajo la pen rong jo tame mentality mate incham posi tume arleng pensi pulo incham do pe la se incham ke la ke osomata do arleng theta do arleng ke sarta do sarpi buri tum ta do theglong ola ke ka do virat karbiang long tum ta chini haje halak tuma phan tame isi facility mate isi ke do thai mane binangji la pela tum phan nep si long dim binangji po ka chuning ri sini tum pilo.
News Desk report, Karbi Anglong Live. Residents of Bensing Timung village informed that the village had been deprived away from all the developmental schemes and projects from the government in their village. The village falls under the control of 24 Deopani constituency. BJP's campaign on Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Viswas seems to be deserted at some sections of the region at Deopani constituency. One such example could be seen at Bensing Timung village under Deopani constituency. The waves of development haven't hit the village till today. The residents of Bensing Timung village spoke to us about the partiality that was done to their village by the former representative of Deopani, Mukut Mohanta, within the last 5 years. They also informed about the road connectivity that was constructed on their neighboring villages, but Bensing Timung village was secluded from the development. They appealed CEM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, MLA and MSC of Deopani to intervene into this matter and provide suitable road. There are various problems in their area, but as of now, the problem of devastated road seems to be utmost priority to the citizens of Bensing Timung village.
Sara tum tanang lang tong thekhe apolone ko son ni an lasi punili tum BBDC road dak jilang so pe tum Bensing rong an kilometer prido lapen la kilometer pli pen aprang majida rong hang rong lo halapuan bangga ko ali pitu dia do lapen ni tum polling center siga thak lo bonyaja munda bosti pu hala dakani tum polling center he puri lo Bensing polling center he puri lo stami hala dak pu bangga ita pitching an ke pi stami ni tum Bensing rong po bangga nona mat ke nang lang tong thek ni pine ni tum somsi ali pu bangga ke dam ke bang sung pik an bikhe koi ke ason do ke sung bong pen ni tum kinang sor bang ke ali lo la sidak BBDC road jilang so pen tum Bensing rong an prap jin pen la ke thege ding tum phan an ke chuning di pen ke pachini la lo ali nang pipon te ko se ni tum chuning di pen lo la pen la so ni tum ke chuning ri rong hoi pen ke chuning ri teng pen nang tum Dr. Tuliram lo hang sar CM la pen Dr. Nomoy Mumin MLA la pen ako MSC Sabon telenga nang tum tala ne tum chuning ri la pen ni tum kidu ke sunga teng nang lang pon te ni tum an se ni tum ningarong ji pose pachini lo la.
Bensing Timung village is a 5th, 6th generation old village, but so far no proper road had been constructed by the government. There is no telecommunication network connectivity in the area, no sustainable drinking water, and many houses from PMAYG scheme were left incomplete. Sonjit Crow's report from Deopani, Karbi Anglong Live. That's all for today. Thank you so much for joining Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.